Hello everyone, it's cooking time. We all must have had fish egg fritters, that is Maach'r rdimerrecipe. But today I'm going to teach you something different. So let's get started. Here I've got some fish eggs. I've cleaned it well with water. And remember to remove all these black veins from it. You can just pinch them out, or you can even use a pair of scissors to cut them. Be very careful while doing so because we don't want the eggs to separate. Now to marinate this for some time, we will add turmeric powder, that is haldi powder, and salt to this, and then using your hands very gently you will apply this onto the eggs. Be careful not to break the eggs. Put it very gently. Once this is done, you keep it aside. Now getting on to the other ingredients, I have a tomato, a few onions, medium sized. Now here you may wonder why I have peeled all the onions and kept it aside. So you can check out my video on Cooking Gets Simplified. I will provide the link and an I button on top. You can check that out. And now this is the ginger garlic paste. And then this is the peppercorns that I've crushed. You can use pepper powder as well. So we'll start off by slicing the onions. I'll provide the list of ingredients at the end of the video, so you need not worry about it. The onions are all chopped. Keep them aside and then chop the tomatoes as well. You don't need very finely chopped tomatoes, just roughly chop them. Next, I'll take some green chilies. I've taken 4, remove the stalk from it and slit the chilies. I'm very sorry for the disturbance here. So what I have done is I've heated oil in a karai, it's mustard oil. Into the mustard oil, I've added the sliced onions. You need to keep frying the onions till it changes slightly in color. Once you see that there is a change in color, you add the tomatoes. Stir fry this. Then you add in the pepper powder. And the ginger garlic paste. Stir fry this till the raw smell of the ginger goes away. Now we'll add the spices, turmeric powder, that is haldi powder, the red chili powder, and in the end we will add the dhania powder or the coriander powder. The measurements will all be given towards the end of the video in the ingredients list. Then we will add the salt and stir up everything. You need to check the salt in the end. You need to fry the spices very well. just so that the spices don't stick to the karai. add a little water and then fry the spices. In doing this, you will prevent it from burning also. Once you see that the oil has started to ooze out from the sides, the masalas are fried. Now you add the marinated fish egg into this masala and coat it very well, very gently. You're not going to break the eggs. Cover it and let it stay on a low flame for about 3 minutes or so, and then open the cover and very gently you flip it to the other side. You have to be very careful while flipping it. By this time, more or less, the egg has solidified. You just need to flip it a little carefully so that the other side also gets coated with the masala. We are doing all this without adding any water to it till now. So now we will cover this and cook the other side as well for 3 to 4 minutes. And then when you remove the cover, you will see that a lot of oil has started to come out from the sides. The eggs have got well solidified, and now we can break this into smaller pieces. It depends upon you how big or small you want them to be. I've broken them down into this size pieces. You can have a look at this. We have many other fish recipes in our channel. I'll provide the link for all those recipes in the non-veg playlist. You can have a look at them. So now we can give the required amount of water to make the gravy. As I have said earlier, I use hot water in all my cooking. So here I'm going to add hot water into this to make the gravy. Stir it once again. And now I'm going to add a little sugar onto this dish. Give it a stir again. And then finally I'm going to add the green chilies that I had slit earlier. Cover the karai now and let it cook in low flame for 5 minutes. Then you remove the cover. And then you'll see that the water has been absorbed quite a lot by the eggs. So add sufficient water so that in the end you will have a lot of gravy. And you see that the green chilies also will impart a very wonderful flavor to this dish. And now the final touch is some chopped coriander leaves if you have them at home. This is about the fish eggs. There is another recipe with the fish head and tail. It is called Kata Chorchori in Bengali. I'll provide the link as well as the I button on top. You can have a look at that recipe as well. It's amazingly wonderful. As of now, our dish is ready to be served with steaming hot rice. Hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed viewing it. Please do like, comment and share and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for notifications. Thank you for staying till the end. Bye-bye.